Is your GMC Acadia key fob 27T2021 not working? In 80 to 90% of cases, a simple battery replacement solves the issue. This video shows you how to do it yourself in minutes. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. First, locate the seam on the fob side near the keyring. Gently pry it open, avoiding excessive force to prevent cracking. Remove the old battery, noting the positive side up. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive side up. Snap the case back together and test the buttons. The LED should flash, confirming it works. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and try again. Be sure to properly dispose of the old battery by recycling it. If a new battery doesn't fix the problem, you might have a different issue. First, ensure the new battery is fresh. If the case is difficult to open, try applying heat from a hairdryer to soften the plastic. If you notice corrosion on the battery contacts, clean them carefully. If the remote still fails, it could indicate a faulty button, damaged antenna, or require professional reprogramming at a dealership, costing around $150. To prevent issues, use genuine OEM batteries to avoid voltage mismatches and signal interference. Consider reinforced aftermarket fobs to combat plastic fragility. Remember, improper handling can void your warranty, so proceed carefully or seek professional help if needed.